So with summer soon behind us, let's check what the real estate market in San Diego County is doing. And exciting news on interest rates. We're going to tackle all this in the September real estate market update for San Diego County. My name is Klemens Ruoss with the Romero Ruoss Group and Berkshire Hathaway. So here we go. All right, so great news on interest rates. Interest rates actually came down because of the lower than expected jobs reports or the revised reports. I think it was roughly down around 1 million jobs for the year, which is a huge number. Obviously, if the Federal Reserve would have known this, they probably would have dropped interest rates last month. But since this kind of was unexpected and it spooked the market, so interest rates are down to 6.29% for a 30-year fixed mortgage. That is down from last month, around 6.52%. And we're almost at the 1 year mark. Last year we had a 6.24%. So just a little bit more down and we can reach the 1 year lows on interest rates. So that's exciting news because obviously it's going to make it more affordable for buyers to purchase properties. That might bring more buyers into the market and bring more sales. So we'll see what that future holds. Inventory actually decreased 11% from July to August. Combining this with the interest rates being lowered, it might add some fuel to the fire as far as multiple offers. Right now, we don't have that issue. Obviously, right now, buyers have the upper hand. But compared to that same time last year, we actually saw an increase in inventory, about 5.6%. Now, usually inventory peaks around August, September. But in this season, I guess, it's actually coming down all the way from June. June is kind of like when it peaked, and then it started to come down July, August, and we'll see what September holds. I don't think it's going to come up, but yeah, it's interesting to see that actually inventory is dropping a lot faster than expected. So don't expect prices to keep dropping if we have, again, low inventory. As you can see here, we're 1% down from last year. Pending sales actually also decreased about 4.7% from July to August compared to that same time last year. We saw a similar drop, about 5%. Again, if interest rates keep coming down, more buyers and more sales are going to happen. So usually we start falling around the October, November in sales. With this added fuel to the fire, with this lower of the interest rates, we'll see if that even occurs. But again, pending sales were up actually from last year about 1.3%. Prices decreased about 1.8% to $588 a square foot, or $1,055,000 for a median priced home in San Diego County. Compared at the same time last year, we saw an increase in prices about 2.2% to $620 a square foot. We are down, however, about 5.2% from last year. Now, this may seem like a big drop, but we're measuring from a high of August. If we were to average out, maybe do a 3 or 6 month average, this drop wouldn't be as dramatic. But this is where we're at right now. Again, if inventory starts to come down and interest rates come down as well, we're going to get more buyers on the market, and these prices are probably going to remain around this. Market time actually increased about 3.2% from last month. So definitely market is slowing down a little bit. Again, with this curveball right now that we got thrown with the interest rates, we'll see what that looks like in the next couple months. We are 38% slower than we were same time last year. The difference between the list and the sales price ratio, actually, we also decreased about 96.7% compared to that same time last month. We were at 97.3%. Same time last year, we were on 98. So definitely buyers have the upper hand, a little bit more negotiating. They're bringing on average the prices around 4 to 5% from the list. So keep that in mind when listing your home. Hopefully you list it with us, and we can definitely tackle all those options when we meet. All right, luxury sales. Those are sales over $2 million. Also decreased about 19%. Compared at the same time last year, we had a 14% increase in sales, and we are down from August last year from 211 to 187. Luxury inventory also dropped about 19%. Similar pattern here where inventory is dropping around June. Last year it kind of dropped around September. We are about 4.36% lower in inventory than we were last year. Again, with interest rates coming down, maybe it'll fuel up more buyers and create more bidding wars in the luxury area as well. But again, thank you very much for watching this report on the housing market in San Diego County. Don't forget to track your home's value at www.mysandiegovalue.com. And if you're looking to buy or sell real estate in San Diego County, please definitely reach out. Thank you very much. We'll see you next.